Hello friends, is your car idling rough, losing power, or showing a check engine light? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0417, don't ignore it. This code is linked to the secondary air injection (SAI) system, specifically switching valve B circuit high. If left unresolved, it can lead to poor acceleration, higher emissions, and even engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0417 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0417? The P0417 error code stands for Secondary Air Injection System Switching Valve B Circuit High. The SAI system helps reduce emissions by injecting fresh air into the exhaust during cold starts. This burns excess fuel and lowers pollution levels. Switching valve B controls airflow to a specific exhaust bank. If the ECU detects higher than expected voltage in its circuit, it triggers P0417. Common symptoms of P0417 include the check engine light being on rough idle, especially during cold starts, reduced acceleration and sluggish performance, unusual hissing or clicking noises from the air injection system, and a failed emissions test. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components of the SAI system. The SAI system consists of multiple components and their locations vary by vehicle model. Here's where to find them. The secondary air pump is typically located near the front bumper or inside the engine bay, close to the radiator. The air injection switching valve B can be found between the secondary air pump and the exhaust manifold, controlling airflow to a specific exhaust section. The SAI pressure sensor is usually mounted near the intake manifold or along the air injection hose. And finally, the SAI relay and fuse are located in the engine bay fuse box. Here's a tip. The exact location of these components may differ depending on your car's make and model, so always check your service manual for precise details. Common causes of P0417: faulty switching valve B. The valve may be stuck, causing excessive voltage in the circuit. Shorted or corroded wiring. Damaged wires leading to the valve can cause high voltage readings. Blown fuse or stuck relay. A damaged fuse or relay can cause continuous power supply, triggering the error. Malfunctioning SAI pressure sensor. A faulty sensor can send incorrect data to the ECU. Secondary air pump failure. If the pump isn't delivering airflow properly, the switching valve won't function correctly. How to fix P0417. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0417 code and check for related codes. Step 2. Locate switching valve B and inspect it for blockages or damage. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors leading to the valve for corrosion or damage. Repair or replace as needed. Step 4. Test the SAI pressure sensor with a multimeter and replace it if faulty. Step 5. Inspect the SAI relay and fuse in the engine bay. Replace if necessary. Step 6. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and test drive the vehicle. Final words. The P0417 error code can lead to poor engine performance, rough idling, and failed emissions tests if not addressed. If your car has this issue, check the switching valve, inspect the wiring, and test the fuse and relay to restore proper function. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0122. Throttle position sensor circuit low, input P0123. Throttle position sensor circuit high, input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.